428, expect visual 27 left.
What's that for Delta?
Correct, expect visual approach from like 27 left.
Oh, okay, yeah, 27 left again.
Delta 724, clear direct bamboo to set and maintain 6,000.
Direct bamboo down to 6,000, 724.
American 3518, Memphis Center is off flash frequency change.
Information Kilo 2056, Zulu. West 266,
expect visual approach from like 24.
500 scattered. 25,000 scattered.
Southwest 4223, contact the Jacksonville Center on 135.97.
Jacksonville 135.97, Southwest 4223.
Bye-bye.
Atlanta altimeter 3002.
Stand by, Greenwich 5, descend to the star, landing south, 3002,
Martin Air 6131, descend via the Greenwich 5, arrival landing south, Atlanta altimeter 3002.
Descend by the Greenwich 5, arrival landing south, Martin Air 6131.
Jacksonville Center, good day, Southwest 4223, level 315, descending 240.
Southwest 4223, Jacksonville Center, roger. Cross O'Day at maintain 12000, the Jacksonville altimeter 3001.
Cross Hodea and maintain 12000, 3001, Southwest 4223.
Air Canada 212 over East TV at 32,000.
I'm sorry, I missed the call sign.
Air Canada 212.
Air Canada 212,
It's a non-movement area. Retake all runway assignments and hold short direction. Advise on initial contact. You have information Kilo.
Oh, yes, forgot about you. Houston's operator services terminated, frequency change approved. Good day.
Jacksonville International Airport negative information Kilo 2056 Zulu. West 266 at 6. Visibility 160.
1449, contact Orlando approach
5,500 scattered. 25,000 scattered.
Over to Orlando on 134.05. See ya, and go dog.
2.17. Altimeter 3001.
Level 330.
Simultaneous approach is in use. Visual approach to runway 26
American 1980, descend to maintain level 330.
Departing runways 26 and 3.
Number 330 for American 1980.
JetBlue 247, contact Atlanta Center 132.97. Good day.
13297,
United 909 coming up on top of descent in 30 miles.
United 939, thanks. Descend via the Greenwich. I tell you what, United 939, speed Mach 0.77 and turn right heading 210, vector sequence.
Right 210, speed Mach 0.77, United 939.
United 919 Papa, Mach 0.77, turn right heading 270, vector sequence. United 19 Papa, Jacksonville. United 939, descend to maintain level 290.
To maintain level 290, United 939.
Jacksonville Center, good afternoon. Iberia 346 Heavy at Flight 380 is on the white, point white on the platform.
Iberia 346, Jacksonville Center, roger.
Good evening, Jacksonville Center, Frontier 4812, 1304160.
Frontier Flight 4812, Jacksonville Center, climb and maintain level 350.
Climb and maintain flight level 350, Frontier 4812.
Jacksonville Center, United 19 Papa, flight level 360, inbound at least.
United 19 Papa, Jacksonville Center, turn right heading 270.
Right 270, United 19 Papa.
United 19 Papa, reduce Mach 0.77.
Reduce 0.77, United 19 Papa.
Alpaca 6 to Echo, what speed you want us on conversion?
Alpaca 6 to Echo, just resume the speeds on the star, thank you.
That's just Alpaca 6 to Echo.
United 19 Papa, descend to maintain level 290. United 19 Papa, descend to maintain for level 290.
Descend 290, United 19 Papa.
Osprey 1770, contact Miami Center 133.85, good day.
133.85 for Osprey 1770, just passing home and great to be Florida Gators, see ya.
Go Gators, we'll see you later. Southwest 4334, contact Atlanta Center 132.97, good day.
3297, yeah, Southwest proceed.
American 1980, contact Miami Center 133.85, good day. American 1980, contact Miami Center 133.85.
33.85 for American 1980.
United 19 Papa, you making that turn now 270?
Right, 270, United 19 Papa.
Thank you.
Jacksonville is at hello, Air France 610, flight level 370, issue.
Air France 610, Jacksonville Center, roger. American 3082, contact JAX 127.87. American 3082, contact Jacksonville Center 127.87.
What's the frequency again for American 3082?
Ameris Jack Center 127.87.
Frequency 127.87 for American 3082. Excellent service. See you next time. Bye-bye, Gator.
See you later. United 939, turn left, heading 150.
Left 150, United 939.
United 939, clear direct Mayor.
Clear direct Mayor, United 939.
United 939, descend via the Greenwich 5 arrival, landing south, Orlando altimeter 3002.
Send by the Greenwich 5 arrival, Orlando landing south, and copy altimeter United 939.
Lufthansa 379, descend to maintain level 390.
Rieccomi qua.
Holdings.
Lufthansa 379, descend to maintain level 390.
Cioè entro tra 20
Lufthansa
miglia.
420, descend to maintain level 390, Mach 0.80.
Descend starting with 390 and Mach decimal 85, Lufthansa 420.
80.
Canada 212, what arrival should we expect?
Lufthansa 420, Mach 0.80 for spacing.
Lufthansa 420, we are unable for Mach 80.
Can you do 81?
We can give you Mach 82 as maximum, Lufthansa 420.
Okay, Mach 182, thanks. United 19 Papa, turn left, heading 150.
Left 150, United 19 Papa.
Red nose 759, Mach 0.79er.
Mach 79er, go Gators, red nose 759.
Go Gators.
Poi mi passerà la veloce. Sono delle discrete bestie qua che fanno. Che cosa che fanno?
Delta 404, contact Orlando approach 134.05.
13405 for Delta 404, always a pleasure, Howard. See you.
Take care now, see you later.
And center red nose 759, we are about to hit top drop.
Red nose 759, descend to maintain level 290, fly heading 210.
Stand 290 and maintain 210 for the heading, red nose 759.
Air Canada 212, what arrival should we expect?
Let's see, that's Air Canada 212 is asking?
Yeah, Air Canada 212.
Air Canada 212, you have the Grinch 5 arrival in your flight plan. Are you planning that?
Quebec. Quebec.
Yeah, we were planning that.
Mamma.
Okay, that's going to be the arrival.
Non lo so.
Hey, thank you very much. Air Canada 212.
Jackson, Seabird 1416, final 360, go Gators.
Seabird 1416, Jacksonville Center, go Gators.
Frontier 4812, we have 4 minutes on the clock, please.
Rude.
Thank you.
Southwest 4223, contact Jacksonville approach 124.9er.
Jacksonville approach 124.9, Southwest 4223, seal.
See you later. United 19, Papa, clear direct.
Jacksonville approach, okay, information 0. Jacksonville approach today, Southwest 4223, 15,000, descending 12,000, information kilo.
Southwest 4223, Jacksonville approach. Good evening, altimeter 3001. Expect the visual approach runway 3. I'm sorry, visual approach runway 26.
3001, expect the visual to 6, Southwest 4223.
Ci avranno un Jacksonville che si occupa di quelli in transito, uno che si occupa di quelli che atterrano altrove e uno di quelli che atterrano a Orlando.
No, quello comunque Jacksonville Center che avevo io si occupava anche di quelli che vanno a Orlando, che stanno passando lì sotto di me, Liberia e Franco, erano tutti in frequenza con me, tutti abbastanza
Southwest 4223, Jack approach, departing the O'Day intersection, descend pilot discretion down to 4,000 and heading 170.
Parallel holding.
Depart Hodea 170 heading and descend maintain 4,000, Southwest 4223.
And newspapers and any other trash. Thank you.
Giro un po'
Ho due traffici in vista in holding, uno sopra e uno sotto. Siccome vanno più veloci hanno la holding più larga. Quindi là ce n'è uno a meno 30 ma non lo vedo ancora.
tutto sto vettore che mi sta dando, però vabbè, mi fido di tutti. Rispetto alla pista che c'è mi allontano. Vabbè. Come vuoi.
Southwest 4223, turn left heading 120 for me now.
Left 120, so 4223. questo ha più senso. Jackson ha aperto un'inutilissima dritta. Vabbè.
Non sento più nulla, dice.
Southwest 4223, descend and maintain 3000.
17,300, Southwest 4223.
Ah, un bel insufficient fuel.
Ah, sì?
Sì, è il modo in cui l'FMC ti ricorda, quando li metti la holding, li metti l'estimated further clearance time, quando arrivi a quell'orario ti esce il messaggio insufficient fuel. Ma al momento segna con ancora 2 ore di carburante extra prima di raggiungere la reserva.
ancora all'aeroporto, ce l'avrei già in vista, ecco. Non facciamo gli sboroni.
The airport inside request visual approach.
No, me l'ha già detto lui, però.
Vabbè, allora taglia, fai anche short approach, ti allinei quando sei già sui numeri.
No, però così sto scendendo con il profilo giusto, così non sono perso. Aspetta ancora. Perché avevo rallentato, si balla qua.
Cioè, ci sono un po' di aerei che stanno attraversando, diciamo, andando altrove e devono stare attenti a non beccare quelli nulli. Attenzione. Ci sono due a flight level 360 che faranno un bel frontale.
Southwest 4223, turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 2,500. Through the turn, the field will be at your 3 o'clock in 7 miles. Report the field in sight.
Roger, 170, descend 2,500, and we report your 190. Jacksonville Center, Southwest 4223, airport in sight.
Southwest 4223, you're clear visual approach runway 26 and wind 260 at 6, runway 26, clear to land.
Clear visual to 6 all land, Southwest 4223.
C'è uno con la musica sotto e accento indiano. Sparite le tracce da VATSIM radar.
100. 50. 30. 10.
Southwest 4223, welcome to Jacksonville. Left turn when able.
Left when able,
Idle.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Jacksonville. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat back and tray cable in their full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and leave your carry-on. Please be advised the aircraft doors will be open during ground.
Southwest 4223, contact ground 121.9. Have a great afternoon.
You are supervised.
Ground point 9, Southwest 4223. Thank you. See you.
If you are connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check the monitors in the terminal for your flight.
This is ground today, Southwest 4223 on Juliet. We have the gate Charlie 2.
We know you have a choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines.
Southwest 4233, Jacksonville ground. Welcome to Jacksonville. Taxi to Charlie 2 via. I need you to make a hard right-hand turn onto Alpha. Taxi Alpha, Kilo, November, Papa, Romeo.
Alpha, Kilo, November, Papa, Romeo. Southwest 4223. Alpha, Kilo.
And welcome to the United States.
Thank you. Alpha, Kilo, November. Cioè mi ha detto welcome to the United States, ma sono partito dagli United States e volo il 93% del tempo degli United States. Vorrei dire, ma lasciamo stare. Alfa, Kilo, November, Papa, Romeo. Welcome to the United States mi mancava, devo dire la verità. Cioè, una volta Miami mi ha chiesto qual era il mio tipo di pizza preferito, ma...
Jacksonville Center, Victor, Papa, Bravo, Roma Tango, any updates?
Occupato, Victor, Papa.
Aspetta. direct HIP, rest of the route unchanged, clear to Miami, Victor Motango, thank you.
American 646, Jax ground, that's perfectly fine right there.
American 646, hold on, I'm having problems with my controller right now. I'll call you right back.
Roger.
Sembrano non avere più holding dentro Miami.
Jacksonville ground, Allegiant 428 with information Kilo requesting IFR to Dulles. Allegiant 428, Jacksonville ground, good evening. You are cleared to Dulles via the Crosby 2 departure, Whisper, transition as filed. Climb maintain 3000, expect flight level 37010 minutes after. Departure frequency is 124.9er and squawk 1626. Okay, we're clear to Dulles via the Crosby 2, a Whisper transition that is filed. Climb 3000, we'll expect 37010 minutes after. Departure frequency is 1249, squawk 1626, Allegiant 428. Allegiant 428, read back correct. ATIS information, Kilo is current, expect, let's see, we're west ops, expect runway 32 for departure. Alright, we got Kilo and we'll expect 32 for departure. And do we need to call you for pushback 428? Not as long as you stay outside of the, or stay inside the non-movement area. Roger that for 428, thank you. Allegiant 428, that ATIS is actually going to update here in just a second. I'll let you know when it does. Roger, thank you. Touched all aircraft, ATIS information, Lima is current altimeter 3000.
Però cazzo arrivano anche i trenini da destra adesso, lì da... le partenze da Lisbona e da Fiumicino.
American 428, Jax ground. Amendment to your clearance. Runway
The boarding requested.
8 is going to be your departure.
Okay, roger that for 428, runway 8 for departure, thanks.
Yeah, apologize for that. The wind's just shifted.
Oh, no problem. You caught us right at the right
Riparti.
time.
No, no.
Perfect.
Ah, c'hai uno di fianco.
Sì, sì, lo stesso. Alleggiano.